The way we work is we tend to look at what's going on in the public sector now, and we say, what are the things that if we changed could make a radical difference? So one of them is, in the NHS, the relationship between doctors and managers. We know that where there is a productive relationship, patients get a better service, no question about it. So we did an inquiry into, so how do you generate those productive relationships? Because everybody previously has thought it's structural. They think you just put clinical directorates in. And that isn't the answer. There are loads of ways that doctors and managers can form more productive relationships together. And one of those, for instance, is learning together, having lots of opportunity to understand each other. So we ran an inquiry into that. On the back of that, we had the traditional university stuff around publications and have now got a really large European research grant to look at comparatively how countries are creating those conditions, what's going on, and what do we know about the impact on patients. So what are the discernible key things you should do that would really improve working relationships between doctors and managers? So we've got some broad work done on that, we've got some very narrow work done on that, but we take all that in real time into the learning and the programmes that we do now. So we're currently running what's called the Darzi Fellows Programme in London. So these are 40 specialist registrars taking time out of their clinical work. They still do some clinical sessions, all doing real change projects in their organisations, learning about how do you change the system. And so the information, for instance, on the inquiry into doctor-manager relationships feeds into that piece of work with those 40 Specky Regis.